Halloween Horror Nights. We're here with our two friends, Jim and Casey.
Hi, I'm Casey. I'm here at Halloween Horror Nights. I'm about to pee my pants.
I'm also gonna pee my pants. My name's Jim.
Is that your? Oh, I thought you were gonna say your name was I peed my pants yet.
I need new friends. Just kidding. So we're not able to film in the houses because media rules. Awesome, but I do have voice memo mode, so you guys are gonna be able to hear everything today. That was Ronald McDonald just there. Really excited. Hopefully we'll see, what is that, Grimace? Is that his name? What's the Grimace?
The big purple one?
The purple dude. We've got the change out of scare actors right now. If you guys haven't seen this, I don't know what to say. It's amazing. Always try and catch it if you can. I'm having Jim pick which house we go to next.
No one wants to go to Chainsaw Massacre, so...
20 minutes, you want to do that one?
I heard it makes you not want to eat meat for a month, and I kind of want to eat meat.
Okay, so you don't want, what do you want to do then? Pick one, pick one.
I don't know, we could do like a quick one real quick, like a 5-minute wait time.
Want to do Scary or Wicked Growth? I think those two would probably be the best.
Yeah, let's do those. Like,
which one?
This one.
Scary? You want to do Scary?
That's a quick wait time.
You love Scary, don't you?
No!
We are headed over into Haunting of Hill House next. I will be giving my audio recording off to Casey.
I am Casey.
You've been granted audio power.
I've been given the privilege of cursing on camera. You're going to have to bleep a lot.
I'm going to bleep the whole thing out. Not the whole thing, but...
If we're in there for... This is a long house. I know it's not short.
It's not short, no.
So, if there's a 2 or 3 minute long bleep, you know why. Alright, I know there's no jump scare. Oh! Why did I do this?
Where's Mom?
I don't know where Mom is. Don't ask me. Oh, God. Okay. It's 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 okay. What was that? Oh God, I don't like this at all. Oh God, this plexiglass. Oh f***. I'm just not gonna look. I'm a coward. Oh, thank God, a breather. Oh my God.
He wants to take them away from you.
Then take him away.
She lies.
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. What the fuck?
So I think it's safe to say Casey's gonna have the audio recorder for the rest of the houses we do.
Oh no.
Jim has chosen our next house. He has chosen Welcome to Scary. I did give him a little bit of background on every single house before we got here, but it was way too much information, so he has no idea what he picked.
Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Yeah, it's a good one. I mean, it's kind of short. It's one of the tent houses, so they have some of the houses in tents. I think I told that to you.
Yes.
So that's one of the tent ones. It's over by Men in Black. We're headed there right now. We're gonna be doing some scare zones after we get done with Scary, so stick with us. We want to wait till it's a little bit darker for those, just because the spookiness is better when it's a little darker. Yeah. There's the tent. Oh, I can already hear the chainsaw.
Oh,
You haven't had a chainsaw scare yet, Jim.
I haven't.
Yeah, they're gonna cut your face off.
Woo!
They don't have the actual chains on there.
Yeah, I know.
I think that's probably a given. We are headed into Welcome to Scary. Again, I can't film in there. Casey once again has the audio, because obviously he's the best one and the most entertaining one. And these are legit.
Yeah.
Like, these are legit reactions.
Yeah. I guess if I didn't want to get scared, I shouldn't have come to Halloween Horror Nights. I know there's one on the right. 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 Stop, bitch. Can't fool me. I'm okay. I'm okay. That's the win. That's the win. Plexiglass. I see plexiglass. It's fine. I see a hole in the wall. Attention. Nice bump. You know? Why do y'all come to these things? Exit, thank God.
Everybody go follow Casey on Twitter right here. and say thank you for the amazing content. I already told him I will pay him how much money I make off of this, which is like $0 anyway, so. But thank you again. It was a fun house. Was it not, was it like good the second time?
I think this one was worse. I don't know why. Wait, oh, I know why this one was worse this time, because I had my eyes open more.
Oh, okay.
Because when you and I came here last time, I don't know if you noticed, I didn't open my eyes the entire time.
That was like the very first house we did.
That was the very first house we did. And I've never been to HHN before, so that was like my first house.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I didn't realize what goes on in here. I didn't realize how loud it is. I didn't realize how like jumpy they are.
Yeah.
So now that I kind of have like a rhythm going, I kind of know what to expect, but apparently not for that one, because that one was still scary.
Casey just like ran off. Are you videotaping me so they scare me?
Yes. Why are you clapping?
I think he killed that guy.
Let me in! It's closed. Unfortunately, my favorite ride is not open during Horror Nights. It's not worthy. I think it's pretty spooky, but we're gonna go do another scare zone.
Family. This is crazy. This is actually insane.
Isn't it cool?
That's crazy.
We're getting some food because we're absolutely starving. I will recommend, it's probably maybe even the last night right now, but my favorite thing I've gotten so far is the no chance in that word, PB&J, for sure. It's very dark already, but we do have a little bit of light to show off what we're eating. Jim, what did we get?
I got this deep fried Uncrustable, and I'm not sure what that one is.
This is a deep fried Uncrustable with honey on top.
Oh, is that
and
honey?
this is deep fried Oreos. Like kind of like funnel cakey though. Like this is like differently deep fried, I think. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. Casey is off getting one of those twisted taters right now that we got last time that were really, really good. You guys didn't see it because it's not on the vlog though. So, okay, we're gonna dig in.
The peanut butter's like melted. It's like, ooh,
I know.
it's so gooey and tasty.
It like actually mixes with the jelly because when it's refrigerated, it's like not at all mixed together. Ooh, it's so gooey.
That's so good.
It's really good though, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay. Come closer. Look at this. There's like barely an Oreo. Like it's like a mushy Oreo. It's very weird. I don't know. It's good. It's very good. It's like you do not taste the crunch of the Oreo at all. So I don't know. Not as good as the peanut butter and jelly, I'll say. I've already had the peanut butter and jelly. Not as good. I would give this 6 out of 10. Jim just finished his peanut butter and jelly. What would you rate it?
It has to be a 9 out of 10. Great crunch. The peanut butter's gooey. I love it. It's really good.
Casey's back. What'd you get?
I got a twisted tater, the seasoned salt one.
Just a, like standard, not anything
Yeah,
too
the standard,
impressive.
nothing, no hot dog in the middle or anything like
Okay,
that.
okay.
Just the taters.
What is your plan of attack on eating this? That's
didn't
one
get-
way.
I
I don't
didn't get
think you're going to be able to get the lower ones with that technique.
Probably not. Uh-oh.
What would you rate it out of 10?
That's like a 7. Not that great. But it's a nice little food to have.
Right now we're headed through like the main scare zone, like the intro scare zone, like at the front of the park.
I was just telling Ryan that it's kind of fun going through the different scare zones, seeing how they perform in different costumes and whatnot.
It's a lot less pressure too. You're not like,
Right.
no, I have to keep walking. I have to look this
Right.
way. You know.
It's more creative, I feel like, too, and yeah, it's just an interesting aspect to it.
too fast for my lens. I can't be that fast with this one. Hey Jim, what are we doing next?
We're doing Bride of Frankenstein.
We're standing in line for Bride of Frankenstein, and I just ran into my favorite TikToker, Joey Shakes over here. Not her. For real, we're hanging out with some friends. They might pop in the background. I don't want to have to pay them though, so I'm gonna try and avoid paid actors. Okay, whatever. Kristen's here and all friends, all that. Hi. Okay. We are headed into Bride of Frankenstein. I don't think we're gonna be recording in this one audio-wise, but we will see you guys when we get out. I know we're only gonna be checking in periodically here on the vlog, but I wanted to acknowledge we're waiting in line for Icons, and we are that one group that is playing heads up right now. Cause yeah, we're pretending like we're at Disney.
It's that movie.
Nia does the bend backwards thing.
Matrix.
Yeah.
Do it again. It's a basketball movie with Michael Jordan.
Space Jam.
Yeah. The movie about what holds us on Earth.
Gravity.
There you go. That was it for us tonight. Super long, I know. It was kind of periodic, on and off sometimes. It's been a really, really busy night. What was everybody's favorite house? Mine would have to be Hill House, because that's just my favorite house in general. Casey?
I'll say that the Bride of Frankenstein was actually a pretty good house because it scared the absolute crap out of me, and I feel like I personally got attacked at the very end, so I think that was a good house for it.
And Jim?
Icons. That was a great one.
Thank you again, everybody, for tuning into this vlog. This is my one and only Halloween Horror Nights vlog for this season. We'll see you guys next year for Horror Nights, but also subscribe so we can see you guys like next video. All that stuff. Okay. I think we're good now. Okay.
Nailed it.
Bye-bye.